Hi, my name's Erica Stice. I'm the studio coordinator at Halstead, and today I wanted to talk to you about the butane torches that we sell here at work. Now, this is our X302 Max Flame, and this is a great flame for annealing and general soldering jobs, and we've even used them for enameling. And this is our micro torch item number X303, and this one's great for jump rings and chain links, and you can solder bangles with it. Little thin bangles, and this one's perfect for ear posts and stuff. So they both have two different types of flames, so I wanted to show you the difference between them. Now this X303 actually comes included with our soldering kit, item number X299, and that's a beginner soldering kit, and this is a nice little torch for that. Now, they all have the same characteristics. I'm going to show you on the Max torch because the red buttons kind of pop out more than the black ones do on this one. So, but they all are the same. So on your left-hand side, you have the flame lock right here, and it locks it open so that you don't have to continue to push down this button to keep your flame lit while you're soldering. On the flip side, on the top right-hand side, you have your flame adjustment, so it goes from low to high. And back here's your ignition button, and here's the child safety lock. Now, in order to start it up, you need to hold down on your child safety lock and then push in the button. Now, right now, this is on a low flame, but if I just adjust this, it gets really big. And it's perfect for doing the larger jobs that you may need to do. And to refill it, there is a place at the bottom. It's a screw that uses a flathead screwdriver. And you just turn it to open it, and it's okay if a little bit comes out. You don't want to open it too far. And then turn it upside down. Use your hardware store butane, and you put the nozzle, this is a general nozzle, and you just stick it over that hole, which is the fuel refilling hole. And once it starts coming out, you know that it's full, and this one's already pretty full. So now this torch lasts about they both last about 30 minutes on a full tank until you need to refill them again. So they also both come with stands to make it easy to place them down on your table so you don't burn anything. So you saw the Max Flame tip. Now let me show you the micro torch tip. And it's okay if it takes a couple times to start it, that's normal. Okay, so I just locked it in position. Now this is low and this is high. So this is why this is perfect for closing jump rings and earring posts and things like that. So let me turn that off and put in the holder. Now I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the butane you purchased. Now we started out up here using just regular general butane. And I would suggest buying that too and seeing how your torch does. We ended up having to go to an ultra refined butane because we're 5,000 feet above sea level, and we were finding it hard to turn on and off our torches when we were in the soldering studio. So we have a blog article called Butane Hand Torch Troubleshooting, which might help you get past little troubleshooting problems you may have. And it's really important you have proper ventilation before using butane. Either open a window or even have the kitchen hood on if you're near it, or solder outside. But you definitely want to have ventilation with butane especially. Now on the back, after I've shown you everything about the anatomy, I also wanted to let you know that it's a good idea to practice with your torch just turning it on and off several times before you go to solder, especially if you're using it for the first time. It will build up confidence, and also you'll get to know the torch in and out before you go to do a major job. So just, familiarize yourself with it. These are great little torches, and they're fun to have in the studio up here. Thanks for watching.